I wanted to say that this is a Browning Command Ops, Dark Ops camera, excuse me. And these cameras are very durable. They hold a good battery, have good battery life, and I've got a video that I posted. It has a Command Ops in it, and those are nice little cameras. But the Dark Ops is a much better camera. It takes much better pictures than that, and also the video is better quality. I like them too because they're easy to set up, they're easy to read. Within a few moments, just to fool with the camera, you can set it up yourself within a short period of time. I hope this is helpful to you, and leave a comment if you see, want to share something with me. Please leave a comment and tell me what you think. I'm more than happy to share, not my locations, but I'm happy to share my knowledge and of my years of being in the woods. So hope this is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.